Hello everyone, I'm Dr. Divya Madan. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. So continuing the series of food and medicine, today we are going to discuss about one of the Shark Tank products. It is the Kerala banana chips of Beyond Snacks. So banana chips are a favorite snack of mine and I am sure many of you like to munch on it as well. And especially our mothers, they prefer that banana chips because they are more fulfilling as compared to the potato chips. So let's see what all goodness is there in these banana chips as compared to any other snack alternative out there. So without further ado, let's get started with this video. Going any further with this video, banana chips are basically made out of bananas. The bananas are sliced and they are either deep fried or baked and then seasoned with all the masalas, or they can be plain salted, right? And they are a very popular snack, especially in the southern part of the India. But when it comes to our health, I think we need to know about its nutritional value, right? So coming on to the nutritional value, the banana chips that are made out of bananas, they retain that qualities of the bananas, like they are rich in potassium, they are rich in fiber, but because of the process of frying and baking, these all goodness, they decrease. The goodness of bananas, the raw bananas that we eat, they decrease. The quality of the proteins and the goodness of vitamins, they lessen down, right? Also, the banana chips, they are very high in calories, high in carbs. So you need to take care of your portion control whenever you are having banana chips. Now coming on to the fat content. So depending on the method of preparation, they can be either fried or they can be baked. So the fried ones are obviously bad for you, containing more polyunsaturated fatty acids that are made by deep frying into the oils that are, I think, used for several days, right? So it's better to choose baked or air fried option as compared to the deep fried ones. Now coming to the sodium content and the seasonings, we all know that how sodium is bad for us if we consume it in a lot of amounts, and how it is exploited by the snack industry or the munching industry that makes snacks to munch on. To make them addictive, right? They introduce various seasonings, flavors, and once you open the packet, you can't stop eating it, right? So again, now banana chips, they are available in a lot of flavors, not just salted or plain. You can find peri peri, you can find some like maybe American onions or something like that. But the problem here is that because of the seasonings and the extra salt that is put into the banana chips, actually makes them more unhealthy option rather than having the plain chips that maybe your mother cooks at your home made out of potatoes. It is the flavors and the seasoning that makes you complete that entire packet in one go. So again, portion control and limiting the amount of sodium in the seasoning. So it's really important that you read the ingredients and prefer the ones that have low sodium content. Now coming to the fiber, we all know that age old, our dadi nanis also tell us that eating banana makes you have a good poop, right? It is because of the fiber content in it. It is very high in fiber and it makes your bladder bowel habits smoother, right? So but in the process of making banana chips by either deep frying or baking, unfortunately this goodness of the fiber comes down to almost zero. So the unripe bananas, they retain even a lot more fiber as compared to these deep fried options. So I strongly would not suggest having something like this because they are really addictive, and as it was advertised on Shark Tank too, they are easy to chew, right? So something that is very easy to chew also then again becomes a trigger for your addiction. So try homemade snacks, consider homemade snacks, and avoid these packaged goods that are added with flavors, salt. They're not at all healthy for you. compare it with potato chips or these banana chips. They are equivalent because the banana has lost its goodness after all that processing, and the additional flavors and salts that make them so tasty are actually really bad for you, because there is no sense of portion control left once they become that addictive, right? So that's it for today's video. See you next time in another video. Bye bye.